If you're trying to create a Google account and you see the message, verify your phone number. Don't worry, this is not an error. It simply means that Google is asking for a security verification to make sure it's really you creating the account. Why does Google do this? First, to block abuse such as bots and spam. Second, to verify your device or your phone number. And most importantly, to strengthen the security of your account. Now, here's what you need to do to fix this issue. First, check that your SIM card is properly inserted and active. Second, make sure you have enough credit or a good internet connection. Third, if the problem continues, try using a different phone number. And fourth, a very important tip. First, open a Google app like Google Drive or Gmail, use it for a few minutes, then try creating the account again. This often helps unlock the verification. Now, if you want the complete step-by-step solution, I've already prepared a detailed video on my channel. To watch it, go to the comment section, click on the pinned link, and watch the video until the end to fully understand everything